Welcome to the Draw Faves. Today, I want to draw 6 wild animals and introduce them to you. Let's draw them together. Now I'm drawing a buffalo. Buffalo are big, strong animals that live in the wild, like giant furry superheroes. They have huge, round bodies covered in thick, shaggy hair that helps keep them warm. On their heads, they have curved horns that look like they're wearing a fancy crown. These horns help protect them if danger comes near. Buffalo love being together. They live in big groups called herds, almost like a giant buffalo family. They walk everywhere together, eat together, help keep each other safe. When a herd of buffalo walks, the ground goes thud, 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 because they are so heavy and strong. Their favorite food is grass. Buffalo spend a lot of time eating, munching happily as they move across the plains. Even though they look calm and quiet, buffalo can run very fast if they need to, faster than you might expect for such big animals. Buffalo also enjoy mud baths. On hot days, they roll in the mud to cool down and keep bugs away. It's like they're Let's color the picture to make it vivid. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Gentle giants of the animal world. They are the biggest animals that live on land, so big that their footsteps make a soft thump-thump sound when they walk. An elephant's most famous body part is its trunk. A trunk is like a long, stretchy nose that can do almost anything. Elephants use their trunks to drink water, pick up food, give hugs, spray themselves on hot days, and even say hello to other elephants. They also have big, floppy ears that look like giant leaves. When elephants flap their ears, it helps them stay cool, like built-in fans. And don't forget their tusks, those long white teeth that stick out. Elephants use tusks to dig, peel bark from trees, and protect themselves. Elephants love being with their families. They live in groups called herds, and they take care of each other. Baby elephants, called calves, are very playful. They chase birds, splash in water, and sometimes trip over their own trunks. Oops! Elephants are also very smart. They rap.
My ABCs, next time
actually called a hippo, is a huge, round, and very funny-looking wild animal. Hippos have big bodies, short legs, and giant mouths that can open so wide it looks like they're trying to catch the whole sky. Their skin is gray or brown and feels a bit rubbery, almost like a big squishy balloon. Hippos love water more than almost anything else. During the day, they stay in rivers or lakes to keep cool. They can float, sink, and even walk on the bottom of the water, like giant underwater walkers. When they peek out of the water, only their eyes, ears, and nose stick out, all in a little line on top of their head. That way, they can watch, listen, and breathe while their body stays cool. Even though hippos look slow and sleepy, they can run very fast on land when they want to. Now let's color the picture to make it vivid.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A lion is a big, powerful wildcat that people call the king of the jungle. Lions are strong, brave animals with shiny eyes and big paws that make soft pitter-pat sounds when they walk. The boy lions have a fluffy circle of hair around their heads called a mane. A mane looks like a giant golden haircut. Girl lions don't have manes. They are sleek and speedy. Lions live in family groups called prides. A pride is like a lion team. They play together, rest together, and help each other find food. Lions love to sleep. Sometimes they nap almost all day long. They lie in the shade, roll on their backs, and stretch their paws in the air. Lions make loud sounds too. Their roar is so powerful, it can be heard from far, far away, like a giant drum saying, "I'm here." Preschoolers can try it. Roar! Even though lions are strong hunters, they also love to cuddle with their family. Baby lions, called cubs, are super cute. They like to chase butterflies, tumble in the grass, and play. Now let's color the picture to make it vivid. A rhinoceros, usually called a rhino, is a big, strong, wild animal that looks a little like a giant tank with legs. Rhinos have thick, tough skin that works like natural armor, keeping them safe. Some rhinos are gray, some are brown, and some even look a little muddy because they love rolling in mud. The most amazing thing about a rhino is its horn. It sticks out from the front of its nose and looks like a pointy unicorn horn. But rhinos don't do magic tricks with it. They use their horn to dig in the ground, knock down branches, and protect themselves. Rhinos have big, round bodies, short legs, and tiny ears that twist and turn like little satellite dishes. Their ears help them hear very well, even though their eyes aren't the best. Even though rhinos look slow, they can run really fast when they want to, much faster than a person can run. But most of the time, they like to walk slowly and enjoy their day. Rhinos love to eat grass, leaves, and plants. They spend a lot of time. Now let's color the picture to make it vivid. pajamas. No two tigers have the same stripes. Each tiger's pattern is different, just like your fingerprints. Their stripes help them hide in tall grass so they can sneak quietly through the forest. Tigers have sharp eyes, big paws, and long whiskers that help them explore their world. They walk softly, step, 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 so quietly that you might not hear them coming. Tigers love to live alone in the forest, but they take great care of their babies. Baby tigers, called cubs, stay close to their moms. They love to play, pounce, and practice their tiny roars. Sometimes they even chase their own tails. Tigers are excellent swimmers too. They splash in rivers, cool off in ponds, and paddle through the water like big, stripy boats. Most cats don't like water, but tigers think swimming is fun. Now let's color the picture to make it vivid. in the next video.